Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I'm sure you guys are looking at the title. You guys know exactly what time it is. We're going to be analyzing the price of Jasmy right now for you guys to see what is happening with the price of Jazz and, of course, what is yet to come. If you guys are enjoying these updates, of course, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button if you have not done so already, but let's get right into it. Looking at the overall market, I'm sure you guys are really excited to see this market, pick up once again, especially after, the last, 2 days when we did see the market kind of tumble over. I do believe there were some major reasons as to why that happened. I think the Mt. Gox news was one of them, and on top of that, Ethereum ETF being approved. I think the sell the news event will obviously definitely take place usually when that type of stuff happens. But you're seeing Bitcoin bouncing back up, so we'll definitely take that, and let's see how Bitcoin reacts as we close out tomorrow. Tomorrow's weekly candle. But anyhow, looking at Jasmy up 6.8% right now on the daily time frame. If you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, it is seeing a little bit of a retracement, about 2.4%, but nothing too crazy. But let's take it a step further, see what we're looking at. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price, 2.8 cents. That's the price for Jasmy right now. And it's also up 2.7% in Bitcoin and about 4% in Ethereum comparative. So if you're looking at it from that perspective, it is looking really nice right now. A market valuation, $1.35 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 124.4 million. Not bad in a grand scheme of things. But let's shift our focus towards, obviously the price and see what we're looking at. In terms of Bitcoin dominance index right now, dominance index has picked up quite substantially, and I kind of covered this in some of my other updates. If you did end up watching it, great. If not, totally fine. So you have seen dominance go up quite a bit, and that is, of course, there's still, believe it or not, a lot of uncertainty within the crypto space, even though you are seeing Bitcoin picking up its traction back above $67,000. But we'll see what happens if BTC is able to break out of this key resistance that we're currently facing right now. I do project that we do see BTC breaking towards $70,000 pretty much for the first time in about 2 months, and that will be really nice to see. But so far so good, especially going into Friday morning. This is exactly what we need to see after having a little bit of a healthy pullback too. But I do believe that Mt. Gox news and all that stuff was came at a perfect time to really have these whales shake out these weekends. And believe it or not, a lot of people got shaken out during these last 2 to 3 days, to be specific. And again, this is why you want to stay away from leverage trading. Just a continuous reminder that if you are even considering leverage trading, I would recommend you guys staying away. Learn from someone that has lost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't fall for these offers where you earn bonus, blah blah blah, whatever the garbage you see. And I'm not going to name any exchanges or whatever the case may be, but you just want to stay away from futures trading. Easy as that. Anyhow, if you're looking at the price of Jasmy right now, it's obviously above 2.8 cents as of recording this update. But where are we finding ourselves at right now? That's obviously what we're going to be talking about. So before we talk about where it's at, what are some next targets we should be looking at, I want you guys to realize this. We saw Jasmy falling down just on July 5th. Remember this move? 1.87 cents. So one thing I want you guys to just realize, because there will be comments that just take me off, you want to realize even though you did see a little bit of a pullback, even from that pullback till the low of pretty much the yearly low, I would say. No, I'm sorry, not the yearly low, the monthly low, 31.78%, even though you did see that wick all the way down to the 2.5 cents. But now let's go back to the 2.5 cents level. Remember, I talked to you guys about this. I said, if Bitcoin were to fall down to $64,000, be prepared that you do see, Jasmy fall down to these levels. And that actually did end up happening. But again, with that being said, those prices did not hold for too long. If you bought at that level, or somehow dollar cost averaging at the right time, guess what? You are up right now 12%. You are already up 12% for Jasmy in a matter of, I would say, 24 hours. But what you're noticing right now for Jasmy on the daily time frame is, we're facing some key resistance. Again, we know the significance of this key resistance pretty much dates back to April of 2022. This resistance needs to break out before we start retesting the 3.1 cents level. Really important for it to do that. Volume, I would say it is okay. I don't see it having an issue breaking out from this level. If you want to put that into perspective right now, that is a move of an additional about 13%. But I do realistically think that, we could see Jasmy making its way back up to this level quite fast, especially if BTC is able to make a move back above $68,000 and even breaking out of that key resistance. That will be really, really nice for the entire market, including Jasmy. So pay very close attention to it right now, especially Bitcoin price. Tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day to see how the daily candle closes for Friday. But let me know your projections down below. What excites you the most about Jasmy? That's the most important question that I have for you guys right now. Let me know. I want to have that conversation with you guys. What excites you the most about Jasmy? That's something I want to know from you guys. And of course, if you want to see more of these continuous updates that I do try to bring you guys on a day-to-day basis, pretty much almost every day, just smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. It goes a long way. And yeah, stay safe out there. Have your stop losses in place if you are already sitting at some life-changing gains, and never be hesitant to lock some profits in when you see them. But with that said, we'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.